and I'm teaching you maths of NCERT class 8. Okay, today I'm going to start exercise 2.5. 2.5 it is, sorry, 2.5. Okay, so let's see. Solve the following equation. The first question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So these and these both are variables. It will be put together. These and these are constant term. Okay, so it will be put together. Okay, so just look here. X by 2 minus x by 3, okay, is equal to 1 by 4. It will come this side, then it will be 1 by 5. Take the LCM of 3 and 2, 3 to the 6. 3x, 3 to the 6 minus 2x is equal to 5 4 the 20, 4 5 the 20, 5 1 the 5, 5 4 the 20, 4 1 the 4. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. Now cross multiplication, 20x is equal to 9 6 are 54. Okay, or x is equal to 54 by 20. 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 2 10 is 20. That is 27 by 10. Okay, hence x is equal to 27 by 10. This is the answer of your question number first. Now let's see question number second. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So just all are these variables. So let's take LCM. Take LCM of 2, 4, 6 here. Simply 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Then 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So look here, 12. 2 6 is 12. So 6n minus 4 3 is 12. 3 comes, 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now 6 2 is 12 and 5 2 is 6 2 is 12. 2 comes, then 5 is 10. 10n is equal to 21. Now look here, 10n and 6n, 16n minus 9n by 12 is equal to 21. 16 minus 9, what will be? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Once again there will be cross multiplication. 7n will be multiplied by 1 here, but it is hidden. So you need not to write here 7n, write on only 7n हम written करेंगे. Then 21 into 12. हम 21 को 12 से multiply करेंगे. 21 into 12, 21 2 0 42, 21 1 is 21. Okay, 2 4 1 is 5 and 4 1 5 2, 252. 7n is equal to 252 or n is equal to 252 by 7. Then here 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Then what is left? 4. 7 3 are 21 and 7 6 are 42. Therefore, n is equal to 42. N is equal to 36. This is the answer of your question number second. Number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. These and these are variables. So put it together. साथ में रखेंगे x by 3. Here it will go, then it will change into 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7. Transpose to RHS. Now take LCM of 3 and 2. 3 to the 6. 6 into x, 6x minus 3 to the 6, 8 to the 16. 16x. Now 2 3 is 6, 3 came, 3 5s are 15. 15x is equal to, here take LCM of 6 only, so 6, 17 minus 7 6 are 42. Getting it? Now look here. Minus 16x and plus 15x means minus 6. So 6x minus x by 6 is equal to 12 minus 7 5, 3 minus 1 2, 25 by 6. Here 5x. 5x by 6 is equal to 25 into 25 by 6. Now cross multiplication. 5x into 6 and 25 into 6. So 5 6 are 30, 30x and 25 6 are 25 5s are 125, 25 6 are 150. Okay, so x is equal to 150 by 30. This 0 will go with that 0. Just look here, here it is minus 40, 17 minus 42. Then here it will be minus 25. Okay, so here it will be also minus 25, minus 25 here. Okay, minus 150, minus 150. So now here, so 3 5s are 50. Therefore means minus here. Therefore x is equal to minus 5. 4. x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Just here there will be only simply cross multiplication. सिर्फ हम यहाँ पे cross multiplication करेंगे. Just look here. x minus 5 will be multiplied by 5. Here x minus 3 will be multiplied by 3. Okay, 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5s are 25. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now 5x, this 3 will transpose to LHS, minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Then here 2x, then 15 minus 9, what will be? 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, then here it is 1, 16. That will be in plus. Okay, so x is equal to 16 by 2. 2 8s are 16. X is equal to 8. This is the answer of your question number 4. See question number 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Here these all are variables. Here t is also variable, so it will transpose to LHS. So just look here. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t is equal to 2 by 3. Take LCM of 4 and 3. What will be? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 3 will be multiplied to 3t minus 2. हम 3 को 3t minus 2 से multiply करेंगे. Then take division. Just divide here. 3 4s are 12. Comes 4. Then this 4 will be multiplied to 2t plus 3. Getting it? Next here. Then 12t. Directly here it is, if there is nothing, अगर कुछ नहीं है डिनोमिनेटर में तो हम सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 12 into 2, 12 into t, 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Now look here. 3 3s are 9, 9t. 3 2s are 6, 6. Here minus 4 2s are 8, 8t. 4 3s are 12. Plus minus minus 12. Here plus 12t divided by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Now look here. 90 and 80. What will be? 90 and minus 80. Only single t, that will be t. T and 12t. What will be? 13t. 13t. Now look here. Minus 6 and minus 12. What will be? Minus 18. Okay, minus 18 by 12. Now 2 by 3. Now look at 13t. Just look here. 13t and minus 18. Now here will be cross multiplication. Now हम simply cross multiplication करेंगे. Okay. 3 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 13t minus 18t. Okay. Then here 12 into 2. Just look here. 13 3s are 39. 39t. 18 3s are 54. And 12 2s are 24. Just look here. 39t, just leave it here. And 54 will be transposed to RHS. 24 plus 54. 39t is equal to 4 4 8 and 5 2 7. 78. Therefore, t is equal to 78 by 39. You know, 39 to the 78. Okay. Otherwise, if you are not understanding, you can go with 3 1 3, 3 3 9. Just look here. 3 3 9, 3 2 6, 3 6 18, 13 2 26. You can do like this also. Okay. Hence, t is equal to 2. This is the answer of your question number 5.